we'll start the class and I'll share the screen. What we will not do is what I gave you for homework, we will not do today. Instead, we'll do 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Then we'll do midpoint theory and let us see if we can start something in that issue. The abscissa of a point. The abscissa of a point is equal to its ordinate. This is exercise 5.2. Eight sum. Okay. The abscissa of a point is equal to its ordinate. That means x is equal to y. Okay, let us take a point will be a comma a. Okay, a. And its distance from the point b 1 comma 3. B is 1 comma 3. Okay, is 10 units. What are the coordinates of a? That's what you have to find out. Okay. So we know that distance is equal to 10 is equal to a minus 1 the whole squared plus a minus 3 the whole squared. Because why? X1 minus x2 whole squared plus y1 minus y2 whole squared. Because, okay. Because of this. Okay, so 10 is equal to, you square both sides. 10 squared is equal to 100 equal to, remove the root this side, a minus 1 whole squared plus a minus 3 whole squared it becomes. A minus b whole squared, what is the formula? A squared plus b squared minus 2 into a into b plus a minus b the whole squared again. A squared plus b squared minus 2 into a into b. Okay, that is equal to a squared plus 1 minus 2a plus a squared plus 9 minus 6a. 100 is equal to 100 is equal to a squared plus a squared you take 2a squared plus 9 plus 1 you take plus 10. Okay, then minus 2a minus 6a becomes 8a. Okay, 100 becomes 2a squared plus 10 minus, okay, this you take the other side, 90. 100 minus 10 it will become 90 is equal to 2a squared minus 8a divided by 2. 45 is equal to a squared minus 4a. That means a squared minus 4a minus 45 equal to 0. Now solve this linear quadratic equation. Okay, 1 into 45. How will you get 4? You can get 9 into 5, you will get 4. Okay, therefore a squared minus 9a plus 5a minus 45 equal to 0. You know how to do this, right? 9 into 5 minus 9a plus 5a. Okay, will be equal to minus 4a. Okay, you understand that this two together will be minus 4a into the 40s. Okay, a into a minus 9 plus 5 into a minus 9 equal to 0. That means a minus 9 into a plus 5 equal to 0. A is equal to 9 or a is equal to minus 5. That means the point is 9 comma 9. See, the point is what? A comma a. A is equal to 9 comma 9 or minus 5 comma minus 5. Okay, either point will work. You understood the sum? Very easy sum. Is given one point. he is given the distance and is asking you to find the other point, given that both the abscissa and the ordinate are the same. Okay, both abscissa and the ordinate are the same. So very easy. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay, you know how to solve quadratic equation, right? That you learned in 8th standard. A squared minus 4a minus 45. How it should become 1 into 45, correct? 1 into 45 is equal to 45. So that is when you can have 3 into 15 or you can have 9 into 5. 3 into 15, 15 minus 3 will be 12. What you need is minus 4. So best one is minus 9 into plus 5 will give you minus 4. Okay, that is how you should do and split. So minus 9a plus 5a you become. Minus 4a becomes minus 9a plus 5a. Okay, you remember this thing, how to do quadratic equations. That is a 8th standard syllabus. Guys, you got it?
Uncle.
Yes or no?
Yes, uncle.
Okay. Let me post this then. It's very simple, straightforward sum. Only thing new about this is you are getting a quadratic equation which you have to solve. So the answer has got two answers. Okay. My 9, 9 and minus 5, minus 5. Okay. Now let us do the next sum. Next sum is the point x comma y is equidistant from the point 3 comma 4 and minus 5 comma 6. Okay. Let us take one point x comma y. It is equidistant from the point 3 comma 4. This will be a, this will be b, this will be 3, and the minus 5 comma 6. Okay, it is equidistant. This is also d, this is also d. Okay, now he's telling find a relation between x and y. Okay, find some relation between x and y. You have to give a formula. Okay, what you have to do, we know that this distance equal to this distance, both are same distance, correct? So no, trace it, please answer. Tell them I'll get back to afterwards. Okay, now therefore AB is equal to AC. That means root of let us say this is xy, that is 3 comma 4. Root of x minus 3 the whole squared plus y minus 4 the whole squared is equal to root of this one. This is AB. This line is AB. Now you are going to take line AC again. X plus 5 the whole squared. See, this is minus 5. Minus 5 into minus 5 will become plus 5. Okay, plus y minus 6 the whole squared becomes. Okay, y minus 6. Right. So now you got values. Okay. Now remove the square. Square both sides. Square both sides. X minus 3 the whole squared plus y minus 4 whole squared equal to x plus 5 whole squared plus y minus 6 whole squared. Now you use a minus b the whole squared formula. A squared plus b squared minus 2 into a into b plus, this is the first one, okay, a squared plus b squared minus 2 into a into b. This is okay, is equal to again a plus b the whole squared this time. A squared plus b squared plus 2 into a into b plus y minus 6 the whole squared, again a minus b the whole squared. A squared plus b squared minus 2 into a into b. Okay. X squared plus 9 minus 2 into 3 is 6x plus y squared plus 16 minus 8y is equal to x squared plus 25 plus 10x plus y squared plus 36 plus, sorry, minus 2 into 6 is 12, minus 12y. Okay. What you can do, x squared and x squared you can cancel, y squared and y squared you can cancel. Okay. Then what you are going to have, 9 plus 16 is 25, minus 6x you keep here. 9 plus 16, 25. This 25 plus 36, again this side. 36 plus 25, how much? 3, 4, 5, 6, 61. Okay. This is 61 plus 10x minus 12y minus 8y. Okay. Now what we do? Take this 25 this side. Take 10x this side. Okay. No, take minus 6x also that side. Okay. So, and take minus 8y also that side. Okay. 0 is equal to 61 minus 25 minus 12y plus 8y. Okay. Plus 10x minus plus 6x. Okay. It's become. Now what you have to do? Okay, now what you have to do? 0 equal to 61 minus 25, how much? 5 minus 3, 36. Okay, so 36 minus 4y plus 16x. 16x. Now divide by 4. 0 is equal to 9 minus y plus 4x. What he's asking is find the relation between x and y. Okay. So you take y this side. Y is equal to 9 plus 4x. This is all they want. Okay. This is the relationship between x and y that they want. Yeah, who's speaking? One second. Guys, just 1 second. Okay, sorry guys. Some idiots troubling me. Okay. Now what we were doing? This is the answer. Y is equal to 9 plus 4x. That is the relationship between what do you say? X and Y that they want. Okay. Now I will paste this. So all this calculation very simple. Both AB is equal to AC because the distance of the point from A and B is the same. Okay, distance of the point from A and B is the same. So D is equal to D. So AB is equal to AC. Based on that, you put the equation, square it. Okay, and when you square it, you will get the answer. Okay, I'm going to put this in your WhatsApp. Okay. Any doubts in this problem? What you have to use here? You have to use the formula A plus B the whole squared correctly and A minus B the whole squared correctly. It's equal to A squared plus B squared plus 2AB. This is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB. Okay. That is all you have to use. Either correct, if you use it, then you will arrive at the correct answer here. All right. Any doubts? Shall we proceed to the next sum?
Yes, uncle.
Okay. Thank you. Then this is the 9th sum. Okay. Let us do 10th sum. Exercise 5.2. 10th sum. Okay. Okay, let us do this exercise 5.2 10th sum. Okay, A and B are 2 points. If P lies on the x-axis, okay, now let's put the line. A2, 3 and B2, minus 4. Okay, this is a line. This is point P. Point P will actually x is something, y is 0. Okay. If P lies on the x-axis, just AP is equal to 3 by 7. AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. Find the coordinate of P. Okay. AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. Okay. AP by AB is equal to 3 by 7. Now this is given. You can solve this problem in many ways. Let us find the distance AP first. Okay, let us find the distance. AP by AB. Okay. Let us find the distance AB first. Okay. That is equal to 2 minus x the whole square plus 3 minus 0 the whole square. A minus B the whole square is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2 into A into B. Okay. Plus 3 minus 0 is 3 squared. Okay. That is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 9 plus 4. This 4 I'm taking there. That is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 13. Okay, x squared minus 4x plus 13, that is AP. What is AB? Now let us do AB. AB is equal to root of 2 minus 2 the whole square plus what is y1 minus y this is x1, this is x2. Okay, this is y1, this is y2. Y1 minus y2 the whole square will be 3 plus 4 the whole square. That is equal to 0 squared plus 7 squared. That is equal to 0 is 0, 7 root of 7 squared. That is equal to 7. AB is equal to 7. Okay. Now we know that. Okay. We know that AP by AB is equal to 3 by 7. Okay. 7 by AB. Sorry. AP by AB is here 7 is equal to 3 by 7. Okay. AP is equal to 3. That means what you have here is this is 1, this is 2. Okay. X squared minus 4x plus 13 root of is equal to 3. Square both sides. X squared minus 4x plus 13 is equal to 9. Okay, when you square both sides, this becomes 3 squared. 9. Okay, got it. So x squared minus 4x, bring the 9 this side, plus 13 minus 9 will become 4 is equal to 0. Okay, again you have to do fractions. Okay, factorization of the quadratic equations. Here it is 1, here it is 4. 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Okay, so 4 can be 2 and 2. Okay, minus 2 we can put. So x squared minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. That implies x into x minus 2 minus 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. That means x minus 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so x equal to 2. Both ways x equal to 2. Okay, so what you wanted to find out? If the point P lies on the x-axis, find the coordinates of P. See, already we know that it lies on the x-axis. Therefore, y-axis ordinate equal to 0. X is equal to now 2. So point is 2, 0. Okay, that is the answer. You got it. You can do this, all these problems in many ways. I have done it in this way. Your textbook may do it one way. The guides may do it another way. Okay. So what we have done, we have first taken AP and we have arrived at the formula of AP. Then what you have done, you have taken AB and arrived at the value of AB. AB itself is equal to 7. Now you took this equation that is already there. The book gave this equation. AP by AB is equal to 3 by 7. Inside that you substituted the value of AB. AB was 7, correct? So both got cancelled out. AP is equal to 3 you got. So 1, this is 1, this is 2. And you have to now make both equal. X square minus 4x plus 13 root of is equal to 3. Square both sides, get the equation. Factorize the equation, x equal to 2 is the answer. All right. Any doubts on this? Simple sum, right? Straightforward sum. You can do it in many different ways. I have done it like this. Can we go to the next sum, guys?
Yes, uncle.
Thank you. Okay, next sum is 12th, 11th sum. Okay, 11th sum. exercise 5.2. So then now he's asking, show that the point 11, 2, let us call it O, is the center of the circle passing through the points 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. Let us keep this is A. Then let us draw a circle. Then let us have point B and let us have point C. Okay. Is the center of the circle point 1, 2, 3, -4. What is the other point? 5, -6. Okay. Now what you should prove is R equal to R equal to R. That's what you have to prove. That means you have to prove OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. You have to prove. If you prove that, and that is R. That means this is the origin, center of this is a central point, and all the other 3 points A, B, C are lying on the circumference. That's what you have to do. First, let us take OA and find out how much it is. Okay. X1 minus x to the whole squared plus y1 minus y to the whole squared. Okay. 11 minus 5 the whole squared plus 2 plus 6 the whole squared. Correct. Minus into minus will become plus. 11 minus 5 is how much? 11 minus 5?
6, uncle.
6 squared plus 2 plus 6 how much?
8.
8 squared root of. Okay. 6 into 6 is how much? 36. 8 into 6? 8 into 8?
64.
Okay, very good. 64 plus 36 how much? 4 plus 6, 10. 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 100. Okay, you are getting. That is equal to root of 100. What is the 10 squared equal to 10? Okay. OA is equal to 10. Now let us see if OB and OC also equal to 10, then means you have finished the sum. OB. OA you finished. OB is equal to 11 minus 3 the whole squared plus 2 plus 4 the whole squared. Correct. This is xi, yi. Okay, this is x2. Let's x3, y3 you take. x1 minus x3 the whole squared, y1 minus y3 the whole squared. Okay, that's how I'm putting. I'm understanding last time you got all these steps, so I'm not using those baby steps. But when you are writing in your thing, you must write that. Okay, you must write x1 minus x3 the whole squared plus y1 minus y3 the whole squared root of is equal to, then only you must come to the steps. 11 minus 3 how much? 11 minus 3?
7, uncle.
11 minus 3 how much? You are now using fingers. That's not how we should do.
8, uncle.
8, yes. 8 squared plus 2 plus 4?
6, uncle.
Very good. 64 plus 36 again. Already that also was root of 100. So that is equal to root of 10 squared. That is also equal to 10. So OB also is 10. Now let us see OC. Okay. OC will put formula. X1 minus, let us see, this is x1, x2, x3, x4, y4. Let us take this at x4, y4. x1 minus x4 whole squared plus y1 minus y4 whole squared. Okay. What is x1? What is x1? Array, tell me guys. I just told
11.
x1, y1. Huh?
11.
11. What is x4?
Minus 6.
No, x4 is 5. If you make these kind of silly mistakes, you will never solve the problem. What is y1? What is y1?
1, uncle.
2, uncle.
2, yeah.
2.
There you got 1. Okay, 2. Y4?
-6.
So minus of minus 6 is plus 6. 11 minus 5 is how much?
6, uncle.
2 plus 6.
8.
So again it is coming 36 plus 64. Again it is coming root of 100. So root of 10 squared, that is 10. Okay. OC. So OA equal to OB is equal to OC. Therefore O is the center of circle. And A, B, C are on circumference. Okay. Very simple. 11 sum. Be careful with your x1, y1. Because you are telling some numbers and all 1, 2, 3 like that. Interestingly, you are telling your own numbers. Okay. You should be very careful. Correctly name the x1, y1, whatever, so that you can easily do the sums. Then let us do now. Exercise 5.2. Which sum now? Last sum, no? 12th sum.
12th sum.
12th sum you have to do. So here is telling okay, the radius of a circle with center at origin. This is O. O is 0, 0. Okay. Is 30 units. Okay, let us say here 30 units. Okay. Then it's telling here also it is 30 units because it is going like this. Wait, I didn't get the proper. Okay, like this there is one. So what will happen? X-axis, Y-axis will be 0. This is actually a mental sum. You have to find out what is the x-axis. The same way here, x-axis will be 0. You have to find out what is the y-axis. Okay. Now distance is given d is equal to 30. This distance also given d is equal to 30. And find the distance between any 2 points. Let us name this point A. Let us name this point. Okay, this point is B here. Okay. Now, what is the distance between these 2 points also is asking. This distance also what is asking, D1. Okay. Now, this is O. Let us say O is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. And this one, this point is x3, y3. Okay. Now what you have, O is 0, 0. So OA is equal to root of, what is this, x1 minus x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. Okay. X1 is also 0. X2 is what we don't know. Okay, minus x whole square plus y1 is 0. 0 minus 0 the whole square, because this one is on the x, it's lying on the x-axis. Okay, so this is x squared. That's all. minus x the whole squared is equal to x squared. OA is equal to x squared. He is telling this is 30. Okay. So root of x squared is equal to 30. Remove the thing, x is equal to 30. Okay. So the point is x comma 0, point is 30 comma 0. Okay. You could have done it mentally, but they want you to do it this way. You do it like this. Same way, let us do the other one also. Now OB, x2, y2. x2 minus x2, that is x3, y3. x3 minus x1 the whole squared plus y3 minus y1 the whole squared. Okay, OB. What is x3? 0 comma y. Okay, so x3 is 0. 0 minus x1. x1 also 0, the whole squared plus what is y3? y3 is y. Y minus y1. y1 is 0. Here, 0. Okay. Y minus 0 the whole squared. That is equal to 0 minus 0, 0. Forget it. Y squared, root of y squared. This distance is how much? This distance is 30.
30.
So root of y squared is 30. Remove the root and cancel it with the square. That is y is equal to 30. Okay, that means that point OB, point B is 0 comma 30. Point A is 30 comma 0. Point B is 0 comma 30. Now you have to find the distance between this point A and B. Okay, point A and B, which is x2 comma y2 to and A is x2 comma A is x2 comma y3 and B is x3 comma y3. Okay, so you have to find the distance. x2 comma x3 the whole squared plus y2 comma y2 minus y3 the whole squared. That is equal to, what is x2? A is x2 y2 30 comma 0. Okay, B is x3 y3 0 comma 30. Okay, B is 0 comma 30, that is x3 y3. Okay, so what is x2? x2 is 30. What is x3? 0. 30 minus 0 the whole squared plus what is y2? y2 is 0. 0 minus what is y3? y3 is 30.
30.
That is equal to 30 squared plus minus 30 whole squared, root of. That is 900 plus 900. Okay. Or you can split 30 squared plus 30 squared. You can just put 30 squared plus 30 squared. 2 into 30 squared. Root of 2 into 30 squared. Okay. Remove the square and 30 will come outside. 30 into root of 2. That is the answer. Okay. This distance 2 between this point. This distance is equal to 30 root of 2. Distance. AB is equal to like that. You got this answer? You understood? Basically, A will be 30 comma 0, B will be 0 comma 30, and then you have to find the distance between those 2 points. That's all. Actually, very simple sums. Because you are getting lot of zeros, so your calculation also becomes very simple when you get lot of zeros. Okay, by the way, we have finished exercise 5.2. Okay, let us go on to find out the next things. Now let us do something else, midpoint of line segment. Okay, let us do midpoint of line segment. Now, this fellow, imagine this fellow is on the bike, no, he's a college guy. He's leaving his college and his college is at this point O. No, where is his college?
At the point O.
This point. So this is where college is. He is leaving college. Okay. Then he is heading eastward. Towards east he is going. Okay. First village 1 is coming. Village 1 is X1. Then village 2 is coming. Okay. He is living in village 2 or village B. That's where he is living. Okay. Now is having a very little petrol. What he realizes is after he crosses village 1 and is moving towards village 2, petrol problem arises. Okay. There is no petrol bunk between the two places A and B. This whole thing, no petrol bunk. Okay. Now, after should he on the way there is no petrol bunk between these two places. Should he travel back to A or just try his luck and move towards B? Should you continue to move like this or should you go back to village A and stay? Okay. Petrol bunk is either in village B or is in village A, but nothing, no petrol bunk in between. Okay. Which will be the shorter distance? He has to know how to know. He has to know whether he has gone beyond the midpoint X. So let us say assume M is the midpoint. If he has gone beyond the midpoint, then what he should do? He should go to village B. If he's not gone beyond the midpoint, if he's within the midpoint, then what he should go? Shorter distance. He should go to village A. You understood? So everything depends on calculating the midpoint between X1 and X2. Okay, that is the situation. Now that is what I have shown you. Now that is not very important. What is important is what is going to come. Okay, because we are going to derive the formula. See, AM, M is the midpoint means AM equal to MB, correct? That means AM equal to MB. What is this distance? This is a 0.0. Let us say this is origin. 0, 0. Okay. Now this is point X1. So this distance is X1. Okay. Then this distance is X2. Okay. So what is happening is X2 is greater than X greater than X1. Okay. So M is the midpoint is getting as X. Now how to get that value of M? Okay. X minus X1 is equal to X2 minus X1. How? AM is equal to MB. Okay. AM is equal to MB. Why? Because M is the midpoint of AB. Correct. AM is equal to MB. So what is it? AM is equal to X minus X1. This side is X. This is up to here is X1. So X minus X1. Let us say this is 5. This is 3. Then what will be this distance? 5 minus 3 will be 2. This distance will be 2. Okay. Let us say this is 7. And this is again 5. What will be this distance? X2 minus X. Okay. 7 minus 5. Again, this will be 2. This distance also will be 2. Okay. This distance also will be 2. Like that. Okay. So X minus X1 is equal to X2 minus X. That's what he's telling. You understood now? Because AM, this is AM, this is equal to MB. That's all. Both are same distance because both M is the midpoint of both. So X minus X1 is equal to X2 minus X. Okay. That is how he's derived this thing. Now what you have to do, you can derive another important formula from this. Okay. What you can derive is, from this you can do, take this X this side. X plus X equal to X2 and take this X1 this side. X2 plus X1. 2X is equal to X2 plus X1. Correct. Then X is equal to X2 plus X1 by 2. What is X? Now you go back and find out. What is X? X is the distance of the midpoint. So you found out the midpoint distance. What is midpoint distance? Midpoint distance is nothing but X, that midpoint is X2 plus X1 by 2. Okay. So the point on the extreme side, one extreme side, a point on the other extreme side, A and B. Okay, the value, x value of B and the x value of A divided by 2. That is what giving you the midpoint. Okay. Same way you can get the other one also. Y is also same way. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y1 by 2. X is equal to midpoint of another line, vertical line. Okay, this time let us think this vertical line. Okay, what is this? This line. This is a slanted line. Okay, slanted line. This has got 2 points x comma y. Okay, x will be equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Y will be equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. That's all. Okay. What is x1? X1 is nothing but this point. Okay. This distance is x1. Okay. What is x2? This whole distance is x2. This distance is x2. Okay. So this point is having abscissa x2. This point is having abscissa x1. Okay. So the midpoint of the line AB, this is the AB, okay, this is AB. This is the midpoint of that line AB, okay. How you get that midpoint? X1 plus X2 by 2, okay, for the X value. How do you get the midpoint for the Y value? Y1 plus Y2 by 2, okay. This is Y1, this point is Y2. B point ordinate is Y2. A point ordinate is Y1. Y1 plus Y2 by 2, you get the midpoint of the ordinate value. Okay, that's all there is to it. Okay, once you know this, you can work out all the sums. I'll clear all this. Okay, I'll clear all. That's what he's putting. So it is the average of B and C, average of A and C. That's all. So midpoint is what? Very important. X1 plus X2 comma by 2, comma Y1 plus Y2 by 2. That is the midpoint. Okay. Now let us find the midpoint of line segment joining the points -8 comma -10 and 4 comma -2. How you will get it? Very simple. You take this x1 y1. You take this x2 y2. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, that means -8 plus 4 by 2 comma, what is this one? -10 -2 by 2. Okay, -8 plus 4 is how much? 4 minus 8 minus 4 by 2, comma, -10 and -2 is -12 by 2. Okay, -4 by 2 is how much? -2. -12 by 2 is how much? -6. So your answer is -2 comma -6 is the midpoint. You understood how to use that midpoint formula? Okay, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Just if it is minus, you put the minus. If it is plus, you put the plus. That's all. Okay, so -8 plus 4 by 2, -10 -2 plus -2. -10 plus -2 is -10 -2, -12 by 2. That's all midpoint is coming. Very simple, no? We can do some sums now. See, -2 comma -6. That's what he told. We also did -2 comma -6 only. Let us clear all this and we'll do again. Now he's telling something which we can skip. Okay, what they are trying to tell is some geography lesson. See, Chennai is lying at this point. It's very interesting. Okay, it is a real thing. Chennai is lying at this point. Okay, what is the latitude? 13 degrees north. Bangalore is lying at this point. What is the latitude? 13 degree north. Mangalore is lying at this point. What is the latitude? 13 degree north. Okay. So if you go by straight line, okay, all these three are on the same latitude. Okay. But then what is different? Only longitude is different. Chennai longitude is 80.27 east. Okay. whereas Bangalore longitude will be lesser, 77.56. Mangalore longitude will be even lesser, okay, 74.85. Okay, about 3 longitude, the difference is there. Okay, smaller. This is -3 smaller. That's what they are telling. Okay, then they are telling one more important thing. Bangalore is the midpoint between Chennai and Mangalore. Okay, this is Chennai is Mangalore. This is Chennai. This is Bangalore. Then MB is equal to BC. Okay, MB is equal to BC because B is the midpoint. Midpoint between M and C, between Mangalore and Chennai. Bangalore is exactly at the midpoint. That's what they're telling. Okay. Anyway, that is all not necessary. We can go ahead and do our examples. Okay. The point 3 comma -4 is the center of a circle. Let us do whiteboard itself. We can do 2 examples. Yeah, we can do 2 examples. I thought we can finish all the examples. It's taking a lot of time. No problem. No problem. You are going fine, guys. You are doing very well. This coordinate geometry is slightly bigger lesson. Example 5.12. Okay, this is not exercise, this is example. (3, -4). Okay, now that is the center of a circle. Let us name it as O. If AB is the diameter of the circle, and okay, now let us say AB is the diameter of the circle. Okay. Let us check this is a circle. Okay. AB is the diameter of the circle. This is A, this is B. And B is 5, -6. 5, -6. Okay. Find the coordinates of A. A is X, Y. Okay. You have to find the coordinates of A. Okay. Now, what we know about diameter? Okay. Diameter, we know this radius equal to this radius. Okay. So we know that O is the midpoint. O is the midpoint of AB, we know. Okay. That means AO is equal to OB, we know. So we know that now what you have to do, you have to give the formula midpoint. What is midpoint formula? X1 plus X2 by 2. Okay. This is X1 by 1. Let us keep this is X2, Y2. Okay. Let us keep this is X, Y midpoint. Okay. X is equal to X1 plus X2 by 3. But what is X value? X value equal to 3. This is 1. Okay. So X1 plus X2 is equal to, take this 2 that side, 6 it comes. Okay. X1 plus X2 is equal to 6. Correct. X1 plus X2 is equal to 6. Now the other one, same way, y is equal to -4 is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay. That take this to this side. -8 is equal to y1 plus y2. Okay. Now x1 we don't know. X1 we don't know. But x2 we know. What is x2? X2 is equal to 5. Okay. What is x2? x2 is equal to 5. Okay, x2 is 5 equal to 6. So x1 is equal to, take this 5 the other side, 6 minus 5. So x1 is equal to 1. Okay, so x1 is equal to 1. Then same way, minus 8 is equal to y1 we don't know. But y2 we know. What is y2? y2 is minus 6. Take this minus 6 this side. Minus 8 plus 6. That is 8 minus 6 is 2. Minus 2 it will become minus 1. Okay. So this is equal to minus 2. So the point A is equal to 1 comma minus 2. You got it? This is a slight twisting on the problem. Instead of asking you to find the midpoint, they are giving you the midpoint abscissa and ordinate and giving you one other point and asking you to find the other point. Okay, so you just assume x1 y1 you don't know, and you already know midpoint 3 comma minus 4. You already know the other point 5 comma minus 6. So easily you can substitute the value x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2, where you know x you know and x2 you know. Same way y you know and y2 you know. So you can easily find out x1 and y1 from these two formula. Okay, that's all. Very simple this is. 1 comma minus 2. Let us do one more example. We'll do one more small example. Let us post this. Your children are very quiet. Guys are very quiet.
Yes, here, uncle.
Yeah, it's nothing difficult. It's very simple. That's all. Just the average of the 2 points is the midpoint. That's all. What is there big deal about it? So just learning one more important thing. Good. Let us try now. Example 5.13. Okay, example 5.13. Now he's telling there is one parallelogram. Okay, and x comma 3, 6 comma y, 8 comma 2, and 9 comma 4. Okay, are the vertices of parallelogram taken in order? Find the value of, find x and find y. That's what he's telling. Okay, now how you do that? In your geometry, you learned that if you take the diagonals, okay, AC and BD bisect each other in a parallelogram. Now that only we are going to use to solve this problem. Okay, this point is E. You can take. Okay, now how to arrive at that point? If you prove that AC and BD bisect each other, okay, then you have proved that. Once you have got that, you can easily get X and Y. Let us see how. So this point E is midpoint of AC, that is equal to midpoint of BD. All right, both are same. Both are same. Midpoint of AC is equal to. So if you take it as midpoint of AC, then let us say x comma 3 and 8 comma 2. Okay, x comma 3 and 8 comma 2, A and C. Okay, what is the midpoint of AC then? That is equal to x plus 8 by 2 comma 3 plus 2 by 2. All right, midpoint of AC. x plus 8 by 2, 3 plus 2 by 2. That is equal to x plus 8 by 2, comma 3, 5 by 2. Okay. Now, again, midpoint of BD you take. That is also E. But this time from midpoint of B. Okay. B is 6 comma y and D is 9 comma 4. Okay. Now if you take this, okay, this is x1 y1, this is take x2 y2. Okay, x plus 6 plus 9 by 2 comma y plus 4 by 2. That is equal to 9 plus 6 is how much? 15 by 2 comma y plus 4 by 2. Okay. Now both are equal. This is equal to that. Okay. So what we have to do, x plus 8 by 2 comma 5 by 2 is equal to 15 by 2 comma y plus 4 by 2. Okay, that means this is equal to this. X plus 8 by 2 is equal to 15 by 2. Cancel the 2. X plus 8 is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 minus 8. That is equal to 7. So you found out x. Same way, now you do 5 by 2. This one is equal to this one. 5 by 2 is equal to y plus 4 by 2. Okay, y ordinate is equal to ordinate. Okay, ordinate is equal to ordinate. Cancel the 2 at the bottom. 5 is equal to y plus 4. Okay, take this 4 the other side. 5 minus 4 equal to y. 1 is equal to y. So x equal to 7, y is equal to 1. That is your answer. You got it? Yeah, that is also how they are done in the sum. So this example also very easy example. Now when we are going for the next example, next two, 3 examples, you will get some more nice complexity. After that, we will tackle exercise 5.3 in the next class. Okay. Can we meet same time 5 o'clock again? Next class, Sandhya. Friday also we can meet 5 o'clock. Can we meet Sandhya?
No, uncle. Tomorrow I have school, uncle.
No, not tomorrow. Friday.
Friday.
Day after
Okay.
tomorrow. Can we meet at 5 o'clock?
Yes, uncle. Even I'm free, uncle.
Arpana is free because
Yes,
earlier we finished. You can go and do something else. You can relax or and,
Yeah.
read Asterix. How many of you read Asterix comics?
No, uncle.
Arpana, you not read?
I've heard of it, uncle.
Oh, it's available for free on the net. But ask your daddy to buy. At least there will be 3 Asterix stories in one. It will
Okay,
be
uncle.
1,000 rupees. Very nice. You can keep the book and read. That will be very good relaxation. At the
Okay,
same time, you will know ancient European history. Okay,
Okay,
and
uncle.
it's a lot of very humorous.
Okay,
Very
uncle.
humorous. You can enjoy those characters. There are characters like Asterix, then Cacophonics, and then all
Yes,
kinds
uncle.
of.
I've heard of this,
Yeah,
uncle.
very nice. Ask your daddy. It will be available in Connections in Annanagar.
Okay, uncle.
It's very healthy, very nice.
We've actually read it in our school library, uncle.
See, you buy and keep in your library. You buy 10 magazines.
Okay,
At
uncle.
least 10 stories
Okay.
and keep. You can lend. Sandhya can buy 3. You can buy 3. You can exchange and read like that. It'll be
Yes,
very
uncle.
nice in the
Okay,
holidays.
uncle.
Weekends you do. Okay. Bye, guys. See you.
Bye, uncle.
Yeah.
Uncle.
Did I post this? I didn't
No,
post this.
uncle.
I didn't post this. Yeah. Okay. Bye, guys. See you. Friday, then 5 to 6 we'll see.